Hey, welcome back, boys and girls. Today's episode on Knife Club. We are going to sharpen this Miyabi, Japanese bad boy. Okay. First step, I don't do this all the time, but I'll show you guys. Take a Sharpie, put it right on the edge, come on down. And this helps you feel chips in the blade too. There's a couple tiny ones, but they're not worth grinding out. Let me hit this side a little bit better. Okay. Power up this machine. This isn't terribly dull, so we should get a burr pretty fast. Check and make sure all the Sharpie's gone. You're hitting your right angles. Looking good. That side still got the Sharpie on it. And we're hitting this at 17 degrees. Boom. Sharpie's gone again. Feel for a burr. I have a tiny one. I'll keep doing a few passes here. Feel for that burr. I've got one down here, but I need to get the tip some more. Ooh, we're getting the burr. Little one. Awesome. Almost done here. got a burr on the whole thing now. It's hard to see, but it's there. You can definitely feel it. Yeah, you see that little bit of like white shavings on the edge? That's what the burr is. So after that's done, move on to the next step, go to a finer grit belt. This was 120, next belt will be 600 grit. Okay, we got our 600 grit belt. Let's pop her in here. Boom. We're spinning good. Now, whatever side the burr is on, which is this side, you're going to flip it over, sharpen that side. Because every time you sharpen, after you have your burr, it'll keep coming back to the top side. So then we'll do this, boom, it'll be back here. Then we'll do every pass. We'll start using lighter and lighter pressure to get that burr as small as we can. And then the final phase of my sharpening is taking it to the leather strops, whether a leather wheel or a leather belt. I'll show you that in just a sec. We'll go one more. Okay, now we got us a nice polished edge. It'll certainly cut, but let's finish this process and strap it. All right, follow me. Oh, there's Stormy. Hey, girl. Power her up. First, make sure you got your burr on one side. It is on this side, so we're stropping here. And you ain't gonna be able to see me because I'll be standing in the way. How about that right there? How about that? Dun, 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 da, da, da. Always make sure this wheel is spinning away from you. Like, it should be common sense, but if you got a leather wheel coming this way and you put a sharp edge to it, it's going to throw it right in your face. So always double, triple check your wheel direction. Oh yeah, Feeling good. Oh yeah, beautifully sharp. This is my felt deburring block. So if you've got a tiny bit of burr left on it, which this one doesn't have, but put it in there, just give her a gentle stroke. You can be done, or you can do one more pass. And we'll do one more pass. And she is sharp. Let's find some paper to cut. We got some paper to cut. Here we go. That's a pretty sound. Ooh. Can't beat it, baby. Can't beat it. And welcome back to Sharpening with Matt. Okay. So this thing cut through paper like it was a stinky fart or something. It didn't struggle at all. So now, let's test it out on the sharpness tester. I like this because it can scientifically tell you whether or not your blade is sharp and how sharp or dull it is. Boom. Tighten that down. Put her there. Put her there, pal. Can y'all see me? Okay. Line these up. Turn it on, honey buns. Let's get a little light on it tonight. All right. I am going to guess under 200. Could be near the 150 mark. We'll see. So, put your edge in here. Just right there. And then press down. What did I say? 150? 150, baby. And that's all there is to it. This is ready to go back to the customer.